Can you make money by watching your own YouTube videos? Well, I have been asked that question a lot by my friends and other people. So in today's video, I'm gonna be answering to that question. Can you make money by watching your own YouTube videos? But first, let's clarify. Let's start by clarifying something important. You can definitely make money on YouTube, but not in the way you might think. Once you're a part of the YouTube Partner Program and gain some subscribers and views, you can start earning money through ads on your videos. But here's the thing, YouTube doesn't allow you to make money by watching your own videos. So what happens if you watch your own videos? Well, YouTube can detect these artificial views. So what happens if you watch your own videos? Well, YouTube can detect these artificial views and won't count these as views, as a legitimate. That means you won't earn revenue from these videos. From these views. YouTube uses sophisticated algorithm to detect attempts at manipulation, like watching your own videos to boost views. This can lead to your earnings being removed or your AdSense account being penalized. So how do you actually make money on YouTube? It happens when real people watch your videos and ads are shown on your content. The more real views and engagement you get, the more money you can make. To get real views, you can promote your videos on social media, collaborate with others, or create content that people really want to watch. Remember, patience and quality are the keys to building a successful YouTube channel. So, in the end, you can't make money by watching your own videos, but creating a great content and attracting a real audience, you can truly build your earnings. You can watch your own videos in your home, in like your TV or other account on YouTube. But you can't watch on the same account, because that will be like you're like trying to go for views, you know. So if you have like another account, you can. It's not like YouTube knows if you watch your own channel. Like they don't have like cameras on you. You can watch or show other people your channel, but just don't watch it on your own on the same account. It's like if you watch your one video 100 times in a row. YouTube will detect that and see like this account is kind of suspicious. He watches this video 100 times non-stop. YouTube will detect that and will not give you the views for that or the money. So don't try to manipulate your channel. It's not good for your channel, but you can watch your own videos. Remember that. Having a natural channel is better than having a like paid up channel. That like you pay others to watch, you watch your own videos and all that stuff. You pay other people to do that. It's better to have a natural channel. Remember that. And make good content. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Have a great day or night or whatever it is.